Let's go over there and pretend that's the door and go.
Hi, Chloe.
Is everyone gonna get ready? So, ding dong. Okay, and then I open the door. What do you say? What do you say? Happy Halloween. Yeah. No, you say trick or treat. Yeah, and then after I give you the candy, right? This is practice. After I give you the candy, what do you say? What do you say? What do you say to a person who gives you candy? What do you say? What do you say? You say thank you. That's right. And then you say thank you, and you turn around and you go back to mommy. Because daddy's going to be here giving away.
No, you need to come with me. I can't walk these kids.
Well, we have
Sarah and us. We can help you. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Well, Chloe needs to come out and go with her. Oh, hi, Pete. Okay. What you doing?
Hold on.
Okay, thanks, Sophie. Go stand over there. Francesca. Go stand over there so I can check.
Oh, stand by the door.
Okay, you gonna go trick or treating?
You need them to go outside. So let's sit down. Get your shoes on.
Hey, who's this one? Oh, this one's mine.
Who's this one? That one belongs to
Okay.
Here you go, honey.
Yeah. All right, you guys look nice, Chloe. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let's come over here. Let's stand next to